Welcome to Embedded Electronics channel. Here we will see 10 important question and answer. Question: what is the main difference between static RAM and dynamic RAM? Answer: static RAM stores data using flip-flops and does not need refreshing, while dynamic RAM stores data in capacitors and requires periodic refreshing. Question: why is flash memory commonly used in embedded systems? Answer: flash memory is non-volatile, meaning it retains data without power, and it allows reprogramming of firmware and long-term storage. Question: what is the purpose of a crystal oscillator in microcontrollers? Answer: a crystal oscillator provides a stable clock signal that controls the timing and speed of microcontroller operations. Question: what is the difference between a hard real-time system and a soft real-time system? Answer: a hard real-time system must meet strict deadlines without failure, while a soft real-time system can tolerate occasional delays. Question: what is the function of a watchdog timer in embedded systems? Answer: a watchdog timer resets the system if the software gets stuck or fails, ensuring reliability and recovery from errors. Question: why are finite state machines used in embedded system design? Answer: finite state machines simplify the design of control logic by modeling system behavior as a set of states and transitions. Question: what is the purpose of pulse width modulation in embedded systems? Answer: pulse width modulation controls the average power delivered to devices like motors and LEDs by adjusting the duty cycle of digital pulses. Question: what is the difference between a linker and a loader? Answer: a linker combines object files and libraries into a single executable, while a loader places the executable into memory for execution. Question: what is the difference between on-chip memory and off-chip memory? Answer: on-chip memory is integrated within the microcontroller and is faster but smaller, while off-chip memory is external and larger but slower. Question: why is code optimization important in embedded systems? Answer: code optimization reduces memory usage, improves execution speed, and makes programs more efficient on resource-constrained devices. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.